Hello, welcome to day 10 of our 28-day gratitude practice, which we are doing with the help of book called The Secret, The Magic by Rhonda Byrne. Today's chapter is Magic Dust. Magic dust everyone. Gratitude is a powerful energy, and whomever you direct it to, it reaches them. A heartfelt thanks returns to you many folds. In our day-to-day life, we come in contact with n number of service providers, starting with the person who brings milk to our home, the newspaper, the housekeeping staff, the maids. Then when we step outside our home, the cleaners, the one who cleans the road, the bus drivers, the metro drivers, the train drivers, the waiters, the cooks at the restaurants, the cab drivers. In a typical day, we come across one or the other person for sure, and that provides you an opportunity to pay your gratefulness to these people. When you travel via airplane, when you travel via train, when you are going to office, the peon, the receptionist, like each and every service provider is there for you, to benefit you. They give their time, their energy, their life to benefit you, to service you. They deserve our thankfulness. So today's assignment is to list down 10 service providers and pay your heartfelt gratefulness. When I say heartfelt gratefulness, I mean you add a reason to your gratefulness. When we add a reason, feelings increase. Once you are done, if you can go and thank them in person, face to face, nothing like it. But if you cannot, if you are not able to do that, then visualize that you are thanking them. Imagine that you are thanking them. Imagine their reaction, and in return, you will feel happy. Magic dust can be done not only on the service providers but on anyone and everyone. You may sometimes encounter some people who are rude, some service providers who are talking rudely to you, but always choose gratefulness, always choose magic. You maintain your calm, you maintain your gratefulness, because we never know why they are talking to us rudely, why they are behaving inappropriately. They might be unwell, they might have lost someone in their life, they might have been experiencing a challenge in their marriage life. We don't know what battle they are fighting. All we can do is be grateful, and by being grateful, don't just throw it away in the air. Don't just look down and say. Don't just focus somewhere else and say. For example, don't just be clicking the picture of food for your social app and say thank you to the waiter. Look into the waiter or waitress eyes and pay a heartfelt thank you, because we do not want to waste an opportunity to create magics in our life. I'm hoping you guys are doing Count Your Blessing and Magic Rock exercise every day. If you want to be a part of my guided book reading session, wherein we provide life examples on each and every paragraph wherever I can come up with, I also conduct guided visualizations. I help you guys in making your own vision board. I give the scientific ways, the scientific reasons behind why you should record affirmations in your own language, in your own voice. I will provide you all the support in dream writing. There is a certain way in which you should be writing your dream. There is importance of the color of the pen you use to write your dream. So if you want to know all these facts, if you want to take advantage of these guided book reading sessions, then please contact me on the link provided in the description box of this video. It's a Facebook link. Please message me there. I'll get in touch with you. There are few affirmation videos which I have uploaded on this channel itself. Channel name is Anupama Mahta. Please look into the affirmation videos. It will give you an idea how to say the affirmations. The way you say the affirmation is also important. So good luck with your affirmation recording. Good luck with your assignments, and keep following the channel. Thank you.